Behind every great dump truck is a powerful hydraulic system that allows it to lift, tilt, and dump its load with precision. Today we are going to be looking at the mechanism behind the dump truck. I'm Muna, and this is Richborn World. Have you ever seen the dump truck in action and wondered how it tips so smoothly? It all comes down to a powerful hydraulic system that lifts the front of the truck bed. As it tilts, gravity takes over, and the load, whether it's sand, gravel, or dirt, right out the back. The driver controls everything with simple lever or buttons inside the cab. Once the job is done, the truck bed lowers back into place, ready for the next haul. This simple but powerful mechanism makes construction and transport so much easier. Of course, the best place to get the most reliable and trustworthy dump trucks is here at Richborn World. Visit us or give us a call. Thank you.